welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you today how to get this eye makeup look. It is perfect for a night out or even just an everyday look. This is so out of my comfort zone because I never wear green eyeshadow. So this is the first time I've ever worn green eyeshadow and I'm really digging this look. So I'm going to show you how to replicate this eye look. So the first step of getting this eye look is we have to put foundation over my eye before starting. So I'm going to be using the Farmasi Pata Cream Foundation, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. And then I'm just going to take a flat concealer brush to apply. And the reason why I put on foundation prior to anything else is because my lids get kind of like a reddish tone to it, and the color just doesn't go on as well as it could if I just had a clean base. So I just apply the foundation. After I apply my foundation, I'll apply my eyeshadow primer on top. And this is gonna help the color really pop and stay on all day without creasing. It's really important you don't rub in the primer, you just kind of tap it in. Next, I'm gonna take a small fluffy brush and I'm going to take mono eyeshadow in the shade Taupe Brown. I'm just going to get a little bit of product and I'm going to start from the outer corner and go work my way to my inner. So I'm going to concentrate most of the color being on the corner. That's because we're going to fill in the inner later with the green. So this doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to kind of just build up that color. I like the brown to be kind of a little darker since the green is pretty dark itself, and I want it to stand out. So I'm just kind of doing a V motion, really concentrating on that outer corner. Not really touching in the crease that much or on the lid at all, but really focusing on that outer corner. And obviously you want to make sure that both eyes are even, so you want to make sure how much ever brown you're putting on one side, you're doing the equivalent on the other. You don't want one eye to be lighter than the other. So after I do the brown, I'm going to take my iridescent green glitter eyeliner. And this is where I'm going to go in the lid. Okay, I know it's an eyeliner, it's a little bit weird, but this is how we're going to get that green glittery pigment on there. So I'm going to start from the inner corner of my eye and just trace. Now I go about 3/4 of the way on my lid and then I stop. So you want to make sure both sides are even. Sometimes in makeup you have to fake it, so my crease is actually a lot lower than this. So I'm going above my crease and making it look like I have a bigger crease. So then I'm just gonna wait a couple seconds for it to dry, and while it's drying, I'm gonna take my brush again and the taupe eyeshadow and just get a little bit of product on there and get ready to blend the outer corner again. So when I close my eye, where the green ends, I kind of want to blend that in and make sure it flows together. You kind of want to wait till the liner is dry, or mostly dry, because you don't want to smear all your hard work. I'm gonna clean up the outer edge. As you can see, it's a little messy and this side is a little bit more clean cut, so we're just gonna clean it up, taking a makeup wipe and following from your outer corner straight up. Okay, you're just gonna go swipe it up, just like that. Now you could also do this with a Q-tip and makeup remover if you don't have makeup wipes. We're gonna go back and cover that back up with foundation since I just wiped it all off. I'm gonna go back in with my Pata Cream foundation and concealer brush. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my concealer to do my under eye. I'm using the Farmasi Full Coverage Concealer in number 4. And I'm taking a wet beauty blender and just going to pat in the concealer. And then I'm gonna set my concealer with a loose powder. Now we're ready to line the eye. Take my liquid eyeliner in a black. And I'm just gonna brush out my lash extensions. Now I'm gonna go back in with my brush and the taupe eyeshadow and do my under eye. So this is just gonna give me a little bit more of a smoky look. And then I am going to go in with my pencil liner and mascara. For the mascara, I usually like to do 2 or 3 coats on the bottom lashes. A little bit of waiting time in between. And then I will take the 3-in-1 face palette, and I like to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use the highlight in there, and I'm going to do this underneath my brow bone. Really concentrating in the middle underneath the arch. Get all the way across. I'm still going to take that same highlighting shade, and I like to take one finger and do a little circular motion, okay? And then I'm just going to do my inner corner by patting the highlighter in there, and that really just opens up the eye and adds a little bit of shimmer there. And there you have it. This is how you create this really fun sultry eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you on my next one.